Ahmed Ololade, popularly known as Asake, on Sunday night made history as the first Nigerian newbie to sell out the 20,000 capacity O2 Arena in London, United Kingdom. The Mr. Money crooner made a shocking entrance, arriving on stage in a helicopter as fans were seen cheering and waving their phone lights. He performed a medley of songs from his debut album, Mr. Money with the Vibe, and the sophomore project, Work of Art. He joins Wizkid, Davido and Burna Boy as Nigerian artists who have sold out the O2 Arena. The girlfriend of an evicted housemate kiddwaya, Laura, has unfollowed him on his Instagram page following his kiss with Mercy Ake. Recall that the housemates exchanged a kiss a few days ago in a discreet location that the CCTV in Biggie's home did not record. The question concerning the kiss was posed to Mercy by the show's host, Ebuka Obiuchendu, during the Sunday night eviction episode. However, Mercy pretended to be unaware of the incident while vehemently denying kissing kiddwaya. Nonetheless, Ebuka posed the query to Kid, who didn't object. What do you think of Laura's action?